Good day everyone, my name is Ongola Fablab, founder of the Design Journalist Group. Today we are present at Ongola Fablab and we are going to be talking about numerical fabrication. So follow me. We have so many workshops that you could learn about numerical fabrication, and mind you that this is the future of tomorrow. So today what I'm going to take you, we're going to talk about is we're going to start with the 3D printing workshop or the 3D printing zone. As you all know, when we talk about 3D printing, we are talking about additive manufacturing. You can see examples of parts that have been printed. This is like a face mask since we are struggling with coronavirus, that's the COVID-19. This is a conveyor screw mechanism. So if you come, you're going to see how we could come up with various designs. For example, I'm working on a fan project that I have here. It could be, for example, a machine that I want to, a process machine that I want to come out with a prototype for it. So the procedure for me to obtain this product. It could also be a car, a new type of car that I'm trying to work on, that I want to see how the car is going to be designed. So I could use 3D printing to do this stuff. So we are going to be doing a series of videos where we are going to explain to you guys how we obtain certain products, how we leave from design to realization of the products. So this is for the 3D printing zone, and you can see here the machine is Ultimaker, and with this you could do so many stuff, so many interesting stuff. Actually, this is the future of tomorrow. So we are going to see another workshop right now. Don't forget, this is your boy Ongola and founder of Design Journalist. So we're going to see another workshop now. Okay, so we're talking about another workshop. So here we have a laser cutter. So we have a laser cutter. Laser cutter permits us to have so many stuff, interesting stuff like what we have here. We can get all of this with the laser cutter, but we are going to show you more projects or more products. So now we are going to present this is a CNC milling machine, as you have seen. So how it operates, it has 3 axes, X, Y, and Z axis. So we can work with all the 3 axes to obtain a form or geometry, a required or preferred geometry that we need. So there is it. We have done, but we are going to do a video to show you how we work on this. So now we're going to show you what we'll be talking about, that numerical fabrication, what we could do with it. So with that, I'm going to who is working there, he's going to explain to us certain things that they have done with all these machines, how interesting they are, these machines. So please don't forget to subscribe, follow us up at Design Journalist, like the Facebook page, and let's go.
Ok, merci. Moi c'est Mohamed, membre du Fablab. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous présenter un peu ce que notre découpeuse laser nous produit. Nous avons des veilleuses découpées au laser ici là, et plein d'autres trucs que vous voyez tout à moi ici là. Même ce petit robot, ça a été découpé au laser. C'est un robot qu'on appelle d'input qui peut marcher partout comme un jeu d'enfant, juste guidé avec un logiciel, une application qu'on a relié à ça. Et aujourd'hui, je vais aussi vous présenter plein de trucs que notre découpeuse laser dans notre bureau qui est un peu de l'autre côté. Ici, on a des boîtes découpées ici là pour conserver notre boîte à vin. Donc on peut toujours garder nos petites bouteilles de vin ici là. Comme par exemple comme ceci, on peut toujours faire des boîtes à vin avec la découpeuse laser. Et ici, nous avons un distributeur automatique de cacahuètes qu'on a fait à base aussi du laser, aussi à l'imprimante 3D qu'on a imprimé un peu le circuit à l'intérieur qui est en 3D. Même ici, nous avons le craqueur solaire qui est aussi découpé en haut laser. Un peu de tout ce que vous voyez ici en bois à l'intérieur dans ce coffre, ça a été découpé au laser. Après, nous allons visiter d'autres trucs qu'on a fait. Nous avons aussi la machine à commande numérique qui est appelée fraiseuse, mais numérisée plutôt.
C'est bon.
Ok, bon, ici nous avons d'autres pièces ici là aussi qui est stockée ici là, comme notre présentoir qu'on appelle. Nous avons des gadgets ici imprimés en 3D, même les gadgets ici imprimés aussi sur la commande numérique fraiseuse. Un peu les petites gadgets ici là, des boîtes de veilleuses, un peu de craqueurs solaires, des machines de ménage, tout découpé sur la découpeuse laser. et plein de trucs qu'on a imprimés sur notre imprimante 3D.
Now we have seen all the different parts, all the different projects that was realized here using these numerical fabrication techniques, that is the 3D printing, the laser cutting, and also the CNC machine. So here what we're going to do is, sometimes people have project flow ideas, but they don't know how to come to, let's say, the minimum valuable product or to realize a prototype with it. So what we're going to show you in this series of videos or tutorials is to show you how to design from your idea to the project and how to realize the project. So that's what we're going to do during this lockdown period, and you can see the videos from the comfort of your home. So please subscribe to your channel, designersgroup.com, like us on Facebook, follow us, and we're going to show you interesting products. So see you on next video. Thank you.